Welcome back to all the viewers of Sunshine Teachers Training, and I have an activity for you from Practical Life. Practical Life is such a rich area. There's so many activities and there are many materials that I haven't shown you yet. Today, we're going to be learning about transferring objects with tongs, and we're also going to be sorting them. So I'm going to present first, and then we'll talk a little bit about the material and how you can do this at home or in your schools. Okay, so let's sit back and watch as I present transferring and sorting with tongs. Erwin, today I'd like to show you an activity called transferring and sorting with tongs. Okay, this is our mat. We have a tray. This is a bowl, and can you see we have some pom-poms in here? And we have two containers which are colored, and these are the tongs. I'm going to show you how we transfer and sort these pom-poms. Watch me first, then you can try, okay? Erwin, would you like to try as well? Yes. Go ahead. Thank you, Erwin. Today you've learned how to transfer and sort pom-poms. Anytime you'd like to take this and use it again, you know where it's kept on the shelf, right? Can you return this now? A very simple and clear-cut activity, isn't it? And this is not difficult for anyone to put together in their schools or in their homes. You just need a small tray, a bowl with some objects. We have pom-poms and we're sorting them into two colors. You need your child-sized tongs, okay? You can sort by different things. It doesn't have to be color. You could be sorting by shape. Maybe you have buttons, triangular buttons and circular buttons. They can sort them into by the shape. You can sort by size. You can get creative and work with it in different ways, right? This is a great activity because the child enjoys doing this, and while they're working with this material, they are developing their pincer grip. These fingers, which they're going to use to hold a pencil for writing, they are being strengthened, getting them ready for that writing process without them even realizing it, in a very natural, organic way. At the same time, to do this activity, their eyes and their hands have to coordinate and work together. This is also a very important skill for language, for reading, and for writing. They're learning about sorting, which is related to mathematics. They're building a sense of order. They're building concentration. So many benefits in one little activity. That's the genius of Montessori, isn't it? As I said, in Montessori Practical Life, we have so many activities. And when you join one of our courses, be it a diploma course or non-diploma course, we introduce you to each and every one of these materials. We show you how to present it the right way. We explain to you what the control of error is. We show you many variations so that you can use this material and present it to your children in school or at home the right, authentic Montessori way. If you'd like to learn about our courses, you can visit our website. I will link it above and in the description box. We have a range of courses for anybody who is looking to become qualified, or even if you wish to practice Montessori at home for your own child. Our courses are available in English, in Bahasa Indonesia. They're available on site and online as well. The beauty is that they're self-paced, so you can learn at any time that you want from anywhere in the world. We have students learning with us from over 30 different countries. Many of them have graduated. They're teaching successfully in schools. Many of them even have their own preschools. That could be you. So if you would like to join one of our programs, please visit our website, and I will also attach the number of one of our frontliners. You can message her on WhatsApp and she will share all the information with you. I would love to work with you. So come join us at Sunshine Teachers Training. If you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who might want to practice Montessori as well, and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss a single video. Until we meet again, have a beautiful day.